Melbourne and Victoria, a surprise at every turn, presented by Visit Victoria and Singapore Airlines.
Good morning from day 2 in Victoria, and today I've promised Shibani a gastronomical adventure, and we're starting off at Lune.
I am so looking forward to croissant.
Also, don't forget the coffee, that's exceptional too.
Of course.
Let's go meet Kate,
Coffee
she's waiting
and
for us.
croissant is like match made in heaven, of course.
Perfect.
Yes.
I have to tell you, when I entered here, it smelled like heaven. When you look around, it looks like a chemistry lab.
Yeah.
Makes sense because you're actually an engineer.
Yeah.
It's such a pleasure to have you here. I think we create spaces like this so people can come in and enjoy. And I can't believe you've come all the way from India.
From cars to croissants, tell
Yeah,
us
no,
about
sure.
this transition from one career to the other.
So when I was a little girl,
Yeah.
I loved watching the Formula One with my dad. And then when I was 13, I decided that I wanted to work in the industry. And I went along and studied a degree in aerospace engineering with
Right.
the view to working in Formula One.
Yeah.
And just 1 year out of university, I got my dream job. I think the reality of it didn't fulfill me like I hoped it would. So I ended up leaving my career in F1, shockingly, with the idea to maybe pursue a career in pastry. I think our rule with all the pastries in front of you is that
Yeah.
we love being innovative with our flavors.
Right.
But first and foremost, the croissant pastry must be the hero.
Yeah.
Right. But I think one of the biggest challenges when it comes to croissant is getting the lamination right.
Yeah,
That's
absolutely.
all about the layer.
Yeah, so the room behind me, we call it the cube at Lune, and it's climate controlled 18 degrees, which is the perfect temperature to work yeasted dough and butter, so the layers of butter don't melt. You will notice that here on both our laminator or pastry sheeter and the bench, we never sprinkle flour. For us, it's all about working at the correct temperature, so you don't need flour to really maintain the integrity of those layers.
Like we always say, pastry and boulangerie is actually very scientific.
Very.
And that's exactly what you're telling us here.
Yeah, I know you've been eyeing up the almond croissant.
I love the crunch on top and I love the moist in the middle. It's so good.
Yeah.
It's like
It's
a
so
lot of-
nutty and...
So a lot of almond croissants, to get that moistness, they add custard in as well.
Oh, yes.
But ours is just pure almond frangipan made with raw almonds, 3 days to make and like 30 seconds to eat.
Thank you so
Thank
very
you
much
so
for
much.
taking
Thank
out the time.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our journey took us next to Mornington Peninsula, famous for its dramatic coastlines and endless stretches of vineyards. At the heart of the stunning region lies Point Leo Estate Sculpture Park, spread across 330 acres with vineyards, ocean views, and over 80 sculptures dotted across the landscape. It's a mix of art, nature, and fine dining, all in one picture-perfect setting.
Guntas, what is this place? Thank you so much for getting both of us over here. I mean, there is vineyard on one side, there is sea on the other. I have not seen anything like this before.
See, I knew you'd love it. They have delicious food with a lot of local produce.
We're very happy to have you here on the Mornington Peninsula.
Yes.
So we always like to start our lunch here at Loro Restaurant, showcasing some of the best ingredients that we have around the peninsula. And with this little snack here, we're showcasing the tomatoes that we're getting from our own kitchen garden and from other farmers from the peninsula. To go together with your tomato tart, we have this beautiful tea that is made with fresh herbs and flowers from our kitchen garden as well. We have one more thing for you.
Yes.
One more snack that showcases one of the ingredients that we are more proud of here on the peninsula are these mussels. They're from a farm that is just 20 minutes drive from here, Harry's Mussels. This is your next course, your lobster flambe. And your lobster today comes from San Remo on Phillip Island. This dish has been on our menu for almost 5 years now.
After the visual poetry of Point Leo Estate, it was time to rest, reset, and just breathe. We headed to Peninsula Hot Springs, a sanctuary of thermal waters and natural peace.
Shibani, I've got you changed into your swimwear, but can you guess what are we here for?
Are we taking the hot spring experience?
Absolutely.
Oh, wow.
It's Victoria's own geothermal
course.
hot spring.
I've read so much about it. The Peninsula
lovely.
Hot Springs, yes.
It's
You know,
actually 20 years old.
and the water over here that we see around us comes from 637 meters from below the
I'm
ground.
so glad you know about it. So
I
I got you to
know.
the right place.
On that note, it's time for another challenge, the Wellness Wisdom Challenge. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
So 3 things that you do for
Okay.
your wellness when you travel, Guntas.
Making sure that I have my prebiotic and probiotic,
Hmm.
happy tummy, happy me, getting some movement in. Number 3 would definitely be, I'm thinking, oh, an anti-inflammatory shot. So
Yeah.
a ginger, turmeric shot is good for me. But you got to answer as well.
Yes, yes. So number 1 is, of course, meditate, or more than meditate, I would say a digital detox. Second thing, you said it, is getting the movement in. And then number 3 that I definitely do is hydrate, hydrate,
that
and
is
hydrate.
Amazing. But I
So-
think it's time to go.
Let's
Let's
go.
After soaking in the warm waters, we tried the body clay ritual, an experience where you coat yourself with mineral-rich clay that draws out toxins and softens the skin. It's a chance to unwind, detox, and have fun, all surrounded by stunning nature.
What a day it has been, from amazing croissants to that fabulous lunch and then that hot spring experience. And then the whole mud thing. I mean, my skin is actually glowing, isn't it?
I'm so glad you enjoyed today.
Yes.
And now with this beautiful sunset on
Yes,
the cruise,
and the views of the Mornington Peninsula,
Which
I
is
am
lovely.
just amazed.
it's time to end the day today
Yes,
and get ready for day 3. But all of this has been truly
truly every bit different.